Now look what you did. Why? What did I do? You yawned and now I'm yawning. It's contagious. Aha, exactly. Today's debate, why do people yawn? Easy, it's because you're boring, Smarty. What? No, yawning isn't about boredom. Well, sometimes, but it's more complicated. Complicated? It's just opening your mouth and looking like a sleepy hippo. Oh, it's actually your body's way of saying, hey, I need more oxygen. Ha! Or maybe your body's way of saying, I need a sandwich. No, no, no. It cools your brain too. Cool my brain? Smarty, my brain is already the coolest in town. Yawning helps your brain wake up, focus, and stay sharp. Then why do people yawn when they are falling asleep? Um, uh, because it's a warm up for dreaming. Smarty, admit it, you don't know everything. Oh, I know enough. Yawning is contagious. It helps with oxygen and it relaxes you. Hmm. So, in short, yawning is just free mouth exercise. Hmm. Yeah, you could say that. Ha! Smarty, if yawns were money, you'd be the richest man alive. Finally something I'm reaching. Yeah, rich in boredom. Not boredom, brain cooling technology. I'm a walking fan. More like a walking nap time. Forget it. Cut. Smarty, what if yawning is actually a secret signal? A signal like a spy? Code? Exactly. One yawn means I'm bored, two yawns mean bring me snacks. Yay! And three yawns mean the teacher is coming, hide the homework. Now you're catching on. So really, yawning is the hidden language of humans. And animals too. Imagine fish sending secret yawns to each other. Operation Swim Faster commence. 5 more minutes, I'm sleepy. Me too.